Several areas in and around Colombo experienced significant disruptions last night due to the strong winds accompanied by heavy rainfall, resulting in widespread tree falls and property damage. According to the police, incidents of fallen trees were recorded in multiple locations, including Leslie Ranagalamavata in Boralla, Grand Pass Bambalapitia, Dematagoda, Maradana, Chavata, and Vellavata. Emergency response teams from the Colombo Municipal Council's Fire Service Department, in coordination with the police, worked through the night to clear the debris and restore access to affected roads. In Grand Pass, a fallen tree caused damage to 5 houses, while in Dematagoda, a wall collapse at a garment factory injured 3 individuals, including 2 women. All injured persons were admitted to the National Hospital for treatment. Police also reported that the roof of the Bambalapitia police barracks sustained damage due to the high winds.